Hi everybody and welcome! Today I have Lenovo Legion Go glasses and I'm going to show you if they are compatible with iPhone. So, as you can see, we have USB Type-C cable, so we have to plug this cable straight into our phone. And now we will check if it works. As you can see, we can see something over here, so it works. But you can't use your glasses when your iPhone is older than iPhone 15 because it doesn't have USB Type-C, it has Lightning. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.